The tests we are going to carry out today are 1. Its jump starting capabilities and how many times will it jump start from one charge. 2. How good are the intelligent clamps. 3. Phone charging capabilities. 4. Brightness of the LED light. 5. Whether it passes the Auto Advisor Glovebox test. So we're now outside, ready and all set up for the live testing of the Ring RPPL400. We've been kindly loaned this van by Express Car Parts and they have fitted an old flat battery for us for the purpose of our testing. So the first and most important test that we're going to carry out is its jump starting capabilities. Ring say that it can jump start 6 litre petrols and up to 3.5 litre diesels. So our 1.3 litre van that we've got here shouldn't be an issue for it. So we've already put a flat battery on it and I will test that to prove that it's no good. So I'll stick the unit down for a sec. So as we could hear there, it turned it over slightly, but wasn't enough to actually start the van. So let's attach the clamps on, power the unit up. Let's see if it starts it. Started up first time. Brilliant. So we've just tested how many times it will jump start off of one charge. Obviously this will vary depending on the engine size and how much output that it will take from the actual charger. But we managed to jump start it 5 times off of the one charge and it's still showing that we've got 75% left on the battery. So I think that's pretty good. So now we're going to test how good the intelligent smart clamps are and whether if I put the positive on the negative and the negative on the positive to see if the unit will not allow me to power up the battery and it should protect the unit from getting damaged. So let's give it a go. Right, so let's attach the positive to the negative and the negative to the positive, and we can hear that beeping. The red light has come up on the intelligent smart box saying that we have stuck the clamps on the reverse. So turns out it is intelligent after all. The next test is going to be the phone charging capabilities. So we've got our micro USB, we've got a phone and we've got the power bank. So we'll plug it in, we'll switch the jump starter power bank on and we'll plug it into the phone. Sorted. So now we're going to test the LED light on the power bank and jump starter. So if we flick the light off, turn the LED light on, blimey, that's actually pretty bright. You'll definitely be able to see what you're doing in the dark and be able to jump start your vehicle. So the next test we're going to carry out is the Auto Advisor Glovebox test. We've got the unit here, we've got a glove box here, let's see if it fits. Fits in there perfect. After carrying out the 6 tests on the Ring jump starter and power bank RPPL400 edition, I can safely say that it has great capabilities and lives up to what Ring have stated. Not only should this unit be used by mechanics to help out stranded customers on forecourts or roadsides, that it also should be kept in motorist glove boxes, as it is a great unit just to whip out, in your time of need, when you're down the shops, car battery's dead, just jump start your car, manage to get you home or to wherever you need. And especially when this unit is only about £100, which I've seen online, it is well worth it just to have just lying around. And it also has the great capabilities of charging your mobile phone up if you're out and about and you don't have a charger and your phone's died. So a great item that you'd need to buy straight away. If you are interested in buying one of these units, you can go onto the Ring website, which I've linked below, and find your local authorised Ring dealer. Or you could head over to our sponsors of this video, Express Car Parts, who will also have it on their website. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.